Hey, what's up guys? So now we're gonna do the quick unboxing, get the first impressions of the AKG wireless headphones. These are supposed to be Bluetooth. We'll give you about 20 hours. I got them as part of the gift of when I purchased the Galaxy Note 8. So they cost you about $150 if you wanna buy them online. So let's go check it out. Real quick, I want to talk about the features that you're going to get out of the headphones. So you do get 20 hours of battery lifetime, so that is great for some headphones. I mean, honestly, the last headphones that I got, which is the SoundLogic XT wireless headphones that I got for about $20, I get 2 hours on these. So they are Bluetooth enabled, so that is great. Looks like they also have the 3.5mm audio jack, and you can control the audio through the headphones. So let's go open them up and just stop talking about it. See, what do we get? So here they are. Down here looks like they come with a little pouch to carry them. I mean, it looks nice, looks fancy. Looks like it has some good protection if you actually take them out with you. So inside we got a couple of more cables, like a micro USB to USB cable, and we have the 3.5mm audio jack cable. So some paperwork, just the usual. Nothing excited to see here. Get into the headphones themselves. So first impression, just by looking at them, I mean, they look premium. Like they don't look cheap. Like when you actually look them online, they look like I don't know if they're gonna be that good. Or attach. Let's get that off. Oh man, this is not good. I can't believe they actually put like a plastic strip that is holding them. So if you don't know, you're probably thinking like, oh, let me just go ahead and yank them off, or just if you try to pull them off, you're probably gonna damage them. So I don't know if that was a good idea for them to put in these plastic strips down here to hold the headphones. So what in the world? Who thought about this? Who came up with this idea? No bueno. Oh wow, they sure wanted to make sure you work for it. So finally I was able to get them out. So right away I can tell you, I mean, I wasn't really sure about the design. I didn't know if I was gonna like them, but they look small and they actually feel premium. Like the outside, the two covers on the outside with the AKG, I mean, they actually just by the touch they feel nice. Padding in the top, it doesn't feel cheap at all. It does feel like it's well made. The actual band, see, this is awesome. Like it's oh man, just I put them on and I can already tell you that some of the environment noise is already filtered out. So they are comfortable. The earmuffs, they're well made. I like the fact that you can actually turn this around. Let's see, what else do we have? So it looks like we have some power buttons down here. You got the power button, you got the volume rockers. Looks like we have a microphone and another button in there. Let's see if we can turn it on. I see a blinking light. Looks like they already came on. Okay, right away I can see it. So first time I get something connected to the Note 8, and these headphones came out right away. AKG Y50BT. Let's go check it out, see how they sound. All right, I'm gonna try some bass music. I can feel the bass when the bass kicks in, and it's not the bass that just blows you up. It's just that bass that kind of comes and hugs you, and then you can feel it around. So they sound really well with the bass. With the lows, the mids, actually they're really well. I mean, I can't really tell you they're the best headphones you can buy right now for the price. So first impressions, I mean, they are well made. I was very impressed by the design, the quality. The sound is great. They're pretty comfortable. The earmuffs, they're actually, like they feel good in your ears. They block some of the environment noise. Like when I put them on right away, I can tell that it's gonna block some of the noise. This is not gonna be a full review of the AKG headphones, so make sure you guys subscribe. I will have another video coming up with a follow-up review. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next one.